this young waterbuck calf. So now they push them into the water. So one of the ambush tactics of wild dogs is using water sources like this. See mom chasing off the wild dog there, but the problem here is she's left that calf exposed coming back. Alright, looks like they gave up the chase with the access that information with that incredibly powerful nose. Still in the area, they might not have completely given up on these water bucks, but with mom there, that's going to be a bit of a challenge for wild dogs. Wild dogs' main prey species would actually be impalas because of the size of the animals in comparison to their prey species. Wild dog is not a very heavy animal. They don't have that power to bring down waterbuck. They don't have the power like lions will use to bring down bigger animals like that. So getting dive bombed by the blacksmith lapwing. Now waterbuck are actually very water dependent animals. They need to be around water. They can't be very far from water. These wild dogs are making their way up around the back.